Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure GitHub Actions locally, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download and configure GitHub Actions locally, start by ensuring you have Git installed on your system. Visit the official Git website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Install Git by following the setup instructions on the screen. Next, you'll need to install Node.js, as it is required for many GitHub Actions. Go to the Node.js website and download the recommended version for your system. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once both Git and Node.js are installed, create a new directory to house your GitHub Actions configurations. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the newly created directory. Initialize a new Git repository by running the command git init. Now, create a new YAML file for your GitHub action. You can name it something like main.yml and place it in a folder named .github/workflows. Within this file, you will define the various steps your GitHub action will take. Start by specifying the name of your workflow at the top of the YAML file. Follow this by defining the on section, which indicates the events that will trigger your workflow. Next, add a jobs section to outline the different tasks that need to be executed. Within the jobs section, define a specific job with a name and specify the runs on keyword to choose the environment. Add steps under your job to outline the actions that should be executed. For each step, you can either use an existing action from the GitHub Marketplace or write custom scripts directly in your YAML file. Once your YAML file is configured, save the changes. To test your GitHub action locally, you will need to install a tool called Act. Open your terminal and run the command npm install gact to install Act globally on your machine. After installation, you can run your GitHub action locally by executing the Act command in your repository's root directory. This will simulate the GitHub Actions environment, allowing you to see if your configurations work as expected. Review any output or errors generated by Act to troubleshoot issues with your workflow. Make necessary adjustments to your YAML file based on the results from your local tests. Once you are satisfied with your GitHub action, you're ready to push your changes to your remote repository. Use the command git add to stage your changes, followed by git commit m add GitHub action to commit them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.